Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammed Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to configure the messages and alarm in the SIMATIC PCS7 step by step. Messages inform the operator about operation and error status in the processes. Thereby, you can detect a crucial situation early and avoid downtime of the process. The operation and monitoring system acquire the messages from the automation system and record them into alarm logging archive. These messages can display in the message window in terms of different message list. Here you can see once you open the pump pop-up, so here you can see the messages. Here, yeah, whatever the messages you will get it relevant to this pump, all will display here as a list. So motor protection block have already some default alarm is configured. That name is a motor protection. It's already defaultly configured. But if you have some more other alarms like overheat, like vibration, like MCB off or on, so how we can configure those alarms and we can link with the this motor pump 1 motor. So for example, if I have any of the alarm that is overheat, similar manner some MCB off, these all alarm is not defaultly uh, a part of the our motor block. So we will learn in this tutorial video how we can configure this multiple alarms or messages. So let's jump to the configuration side. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So click here in the option and then PCS7 messages system and click over the configure. So here you can see the display color, and you can, if you want to customize the color, you can customize it. Right click, background color. You can customize the text and the color also. So I'll just keep it default. I'll cancel it. Now I will open the pump one. So pump one chart is open now. Here you can see we have only the motor block, and in the motor block, if you right click object property, so the messages or alarm in the motor block, we have three different options. One, we can link like the if the motor is not healthy, like overcurrent or any other signal, we can link with trip. And after that, we can connect the external messages with here. We can link it and we can use the event timestamp also. So we'll learn in this tutorial all of the three methods. So first, I will add the channel input drivers to connect my physical input signal. Channel. Then from here, we can find digital input channel driver. We'll add it, drag and drop it here. I will add one more digital channel driver. Okay. right click, interconnection to address. I will link it with this like overheat signal, and I will connect with this MCCB off. So now I will connect my MCCB off signal directly with the external message. So if you want to, you have just few of just uh, like one, two, or three signals, you can use only this option, external message. This how you can configure this message. You have to first use the channel input driver, and after that you have to connect those channel input driver with the external message. So here right now only just one message is display. You can right click over the object property. So click over iOS, and here you can find external message up to three. You can add it. Right now just only one is pin is enabled, but you can enable for the other two messages also if required. After that we will configure the message property, and here you can write the like external message. First you can replace with your name. For my case I write the com1 mccb off, and I also discussed this strip signal also. Strip is our like motor protection triggered, this one. Okay, if you want to customize this message property or event name, you can also customize. So click over the save and click OK. So what till now we did, we MCCB off signal we added through channel driver, and after that we go in the block property, and then we rename our event name. Now we will configure the event with a timestamp and extended message. We already finished the configuration. So for that you have to come here in the reports, and here you can find these two event messages with timestamp. Here you can select any of the option. In the event TS we have the 8th channel input, and the event 16 TS we have the 16 input channels. So for this tutorial I will select use the only the 8 channel one. Select and drag and drop it here. Now we'll connect our channel drive output with the first input, and after that event TS output will connect with event TS input of the motor block. Then select right click of the our event TS block and click over the object property. Click here over the messages, and we'll customize what message we want to display in our message or alarm. So I will just delete it, and I will put the name prompt 1 overheat and click over the save, click OK. That's it. So now click over the compile button. Click over the changes only and then click OK. Project is compiled. Then we'll download these changes in the controller. Select changes only and click OK. Our project is successfully downloaded. Click close and then close. And then right click over OS and click over the compile. Click next, again next, next, and click over the compile. Click OK. Then right click, open the object. Open the alarm logging. Just expand the AS messages, mixer plan. So here you can find that we just now configure the message. Here you can see POM1 MCCP off. So here is already came when we configure it there, it's automatically came here. So I will activate the runtime. So runtime is open now. Click over the mixer one. So here, if we turn on our overheat signal, as you can see on the top also overheat message appear here. We can also check it from here. Click over the messages. So you can find it, the activated alarm here. The status is right now activated. Alarm is activated. Once the alarm is disabled, then the color will change. If you acknowledge the alarm, click over the single acknowledge or group on acknowledge, the alarm will disappear from here. Similar manner, if I will activate the MCCB off alarm, that will also appear here. You can find it also here. And if I will activate the other alarm also, you can also find it. You can also find this alarm here in the alarm logging page also. Click here. You can also find it from here. If the alarm is off, and if the alarm is acknowledged, then we'll move from here. Go back to previous window, and you can even also check the previous alarm history also. Click here in the short-term archive list, and you can find it from here, all of the alarms with previous date and time. So Alhamdulillah, we learned in this tutorial video how we can configure the messages alarm logging in the Siemens PCS7. Thanks for watching this video.